Okay, so right before I went out to have my surgery, I did this piece, Coz Creation and Courtney inspired piece. I never videoed it, and I figured why not give it a go again today. We'll see how it works out, but this piece is just beautiful. I love this piece, and unfortunately, well, I guess it really doesn't matter what size canvas you use, but for this type of style and technique, I really liked using this size canvas, and it's a 18 by 24, and I don't have any more rectangular canvases of this size or close to it. So I'm gonna do it on a 20 by 20 inch gallery wrapped canvas, but I'm really excited about this, and I'm hoping it works. I didn't video it, so I don't recall exactly the colors that I used, especially for the gold. The gold looks like it's probably the Deco Art 24K, but I figured today I would use a champagne with a little bit of Golden's iridescent fine gold added to it, so it's a little warmer than it normally is. So, all right, this is going to be up in my Etsy shop this week, so be sure to keep your eyes peeled for that. You can find the link below, and I'm going to link Courtney and Kathleen's YouTube channel in the video description. So we'll be back in just a moment with my canvas, and we're going to go from there. All right, we're back, and I have Golden's Prussian Blue, and I used a 75% Floetrol, 25% GAC 800. The one I just showed you, I did not have any GAC 800 when I did that one, and it came out beautifully, but no cracks or anything. So hopefully this one will come out just as nice. Now I'm just gonna spread this. So I have here I'm going to start about 2/3 up on the canvas here. This is Color Shift Aqua. Totally missed that right there. And I have also, in the other one I used this Jadet. So we're gonna use some of that. I have a tendency of completely overdoing the swipe. So, and this is iridescent pearl mixed with Deco Art pearl as well. And then I'm going to do one more row of that. All right. Here goes nothing. I'm like waiting to get more paint on my sweater because I'm leaning over it. It's all right. I don't mind that. And I am gonna add more blue here. I don't want them going all the way down, so seem to be losing that champagne in there. Now I'll go this way a little bit. That was really showing up. Give it a little bit of a torch. do like where it's going here. I'm gonna bring it down this way. I want it to be off center a bit. I don't want it right straight either. These are a lot harder than they seem to be, which is the case with most acrylic pouring. Everybody thinks that it's so easy for those that haven't done it before, and then they are really surprised that things didn't turn out how they wanted. But I actually really like this, so I'm not concerned 100%. I really noticed the difference with the golds, so because I used the champagne this time, and I love the effects of the color shift. Let's see here. I'm gonna add a little bit like Kathleen does. Actually, I'm gonna get a paintbrush. I love when she does this. It really adds a lot to the painting. I love all the cells. It looks so beautiful. This is so pretty. I want to know what you guys think. I mean, it's clearly not a Courtney or Cathleen piece, but it was fun to do something different. Definitely like adding these bits. Oh, it's a little heart. I'm concentrating, so I think I'm pretty much done. It's almost like I just want to cut that out and use just what's already there. we'll do that. Maybe I'll just move it up just a little bit. All right, so we're gonna stop and we're gonna bring you guys in just a minute. Okay, here it is. I'm loving the cells, are so pretty. And the iridescence on this piece is just way cool. I'm loving it. We'll see how it dries. I don't think it'll have a problem drying, but I can't wait to show it to you when it's dry. So that will be coming up. I apologize for the glare, but it is what it is in the kitchen. So, but I hope you guys liked it. If you, I'd love to hear your thoughts. So please leave a comment if you liked the video attempt. You can give me a thumbs up, share my video. Like I said, the other one will be in the Etsy shop this week. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.